Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And we do have some changes in our weather pattern on the way during the next week and a half as we have seen some rather dry conditions for the past couple of weeks over most of the area. It looks like a decent amount of rain on the way, especially next week. You can see today that is not the case. Lots of sunshine, a few more clouds, especially over the northern sections of the Arklatex. But you can see by the flags here, a bit of a windy day across the Arklatex today, and that's something that is more than likely going to continue. Look at the overall weather pattern. Not a whole lot has changed from yesterday. We do have a very flat ridge of upper level high pressure extending from Mexico into the lower Mississippi Valley. A little bit of cloud cover over the northern edge of the Arklatex, as you can see here. And the rain that we have in Texas probably not going to be a factor in our weather here for tonight and tomorrow. Let's take a look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast. And you can see that this evening we will see a partly cloudy sky across the area. The low clouds will increase across the area tonight. Tomorrow, the low clouds will give way to lots of sunshine. As tomorrow looking to be a rather hot day, another rather windy day. I'll have the details on that in a second. And you can see going through tomorrow night that south wind will keep the moisture high, and as a result, the low clouds will once again reform. Those will give way to a partly cloudy sky for Friday. As we go through Friday night and Saturday, we'll be watching a cold front, which is going to slowly approach the area. You can see Friday night, for the most part, we stay dry. Could have a few strong storms to our west that we'll have to keep an eye on Friday evening and Friday night, but the strongest activity likely will stay to our west. Saturday morning, again, the low clouds redevelop across the region, and then going through Saturday, we'll see the scattered showers and thunderstorms. Still kind of windy for Saturday. Not a heavy rain Saturday. It looks like the heaviest rains now could actually hold off until next week. You can see Futurecast keeps that chance for the scattered shower in the forecast for Sunday morning, and we'll probably will see that chance of rain linger off and on through at least Wednesday of next week. Overall, look at the 10-day pattern here, and you can see this one particular model. Those show the chance for the rain, again, staying to our west Friday, increasing across much of the Arklatex Saturday, especially Saturday night. We'll see that threat shift a little bit to the south Sunday, a bit more rain around us Monday, good shot for showers and thunderstorms Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we'll see this disturbance finally move through and we'll settle back into hot and dry just in time for the Memorial Day weekend. Now, as far as rainfall potential, we have pretty good agreement from the models here on some rather significant rainfall totals. Take a look at these numbers here. Most models out of the 6 I have plotted here at the north, south, and central parts of the area, you can see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches, 2 to 4 inches in Shreveport, 2 to 4 inches in Texarkana, 1 to 3 inches in Natchitoches. Probably going to be on the low end of those numbers, but you can see the no significant outliers out there now, as it looks like the heaviest rain could actually be Tuesday and then maybe Wednesday night, Thursday. We'll see sometime in the middle part of next week is when we could see the heaviest of the rain. Severe weather can't be ruled out, although it looks like if we're going to have any, it would be more than likely during the middle part of next week. So here's a summary of your forecast for tonight. Once again, looking partly cloudy. It'll be warm and humid, as we'll see lows across the area that will fall into the lower 70s. You can see the 72 in Texarkana, 72 in Shreveport. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at a partly cloudy day, a windy and hot day. Highs will be in the low to middle 90s, right around 93, 94 in Shreveport, 91 degrees for the high temperature in Texarkana. And I mentioned the wind sustained at around 15 miles per hour. Take a look at the numbers here as far as potential gusts. We could see those gusts in excess of 20, approaching 25 miles per hour across the Arklatex tomorrow, and similar windy conditions on the way for Friday and possibly even come Saturday. So your 10-day forecast shows one thing I have not mentioned. A cool down, in addition to the rain, is on the way. We'll stay in the 90s for highs probably through Saturday, and then the 80s will settle in, low 80s, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, with the rainfall chances probably highest Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then we start to dry out with temperatures warming back up into the upper 80s to low 90s by the end of next week. Looking at nighttime lows, 70s for the next several nights, falling into the 60s starting Monday morning, and we'll probably stay in the 60s for lows for most of next week. So we've been dry here recently. Looks like that is about to change with the potential for several inches of rainfall on the way here in the Arklatex as we look ahead to especially next week.